Stop scrolling for a moment and listen carefully. The only reason you feel shy while speaking English is not because you don't know English. It is because you are afraid of making mistakes. Your hands shake. Your voice becomes soft. Your mind goes blank. You understand everything, but when it is your turn to speak, you freeze. If this feels like your story, then today is the day you change it. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because in the next few minutes, you are going to train your mind, your voice, and your confidence. And by the end of this session, you will speak louder, clearer, and more confidently than before. Take a deep breath right now. Sit straight, relax your shoulders, and say this slowly. I am not shy, I am learning. Say it again. I am not shy, I am learning. Good. This is your first confident sentence today. Shyness is not weakness, it is just a habit, and habits can change. You were not born shy in English. You became shy because of fear. Fear of judgment, fear of laughter, fear of mistakes. But here is the truth. Every fluent speaker once spoke broken English. Every confident person once felt nervous. The only difference is that they continued speaking. They did not stop. So from this moment, you will not stop. You will speak. Slowly, clearly, fearlessly. Now we begin with something simple. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. Louder, I can speak English. Good. Now say, my voice matters. Repeat, my voice matters. Again, my voice matters. Feel the power in that sentence, because it is true. Now imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. You feel nervous, but instead of staying silent, you smile and say, "Hello, nice to meet you." Repeat that. "Hello, nice to meet you." The other person says, "Nice to meet you too." You respond, "How are you today?" Repeat, "How are you today?" This is simple English, clear English, real English. Confidence does not need big vocabulary, it needs clear delivery. Many people think fluency means speaking fast. That is wrong. Fluency means speaking smoothly and clearly. So from today, you will not rush. You will speak at your natural speed. Let us practice. Say this sentence slowly. I am improving my English every single day. Again, I am improving my English every single day. Notice your pronunciation. Open your mouth clearly. Speak each word fully. Now let us remove fear step by step. Fear says, "What if I make a mistake?" Confidence says, "Mistakes help me grow." Repeat, mistakes help me grow. Again, mistakes help me grow. When you change this mindset, everything changes. Now imagine you are in a classroom or office meeting. Someone asks you a question. Instead of looking down, you say, "That is a good question. Let me think for a moment." Repeat that. "That is a good question. Let me think for a moment." This sentence gives you time. It makes you sound confident. It controls the situation. Now say, "In my opinion, this is a good idea." Repeat. "In my opinion, this is a good idea." These simple phrases make you sound clear and confident instantly. Let us practice daily life speaking. Imagine you are ordering coffee. You walk in and say, "Hi, I would like a cup of coffee, please." Repeat. "Hi, I would like a cup of coffee, please." The staff asks, "Anything else?" You reply, No, that's all, thank you. Repeat that. No, that's all, thank you. See? Simple, clear, confident. Now let us build rhythm. Listen carefully. I used to feel shy when speaking English, but now I am practicing every day. Repeat. I used to feel shy when speaking English, but now I am practicing every day. Again, a little smoother. I used to feel shy when speaking English, but now I am practicing every day. Excellent. Confidence grows when you speak full thoughts. So now repeat this full paragraph. I believe in myself. I know that learning takes time. I am patient with my progress. I do not compare myself to others. I only focus on becoming better than yesterday. Say it slowly, clearly. Feel each word. Now we practice thinking in English. Look around you and describe something. For example, there is a window next to me. The light is coming through the window. It feels calm and peaceful. Repeat that. Now create your own sentence in your mind. Speak it out loud. Do not worry about perfection, just speak. Let us remove hesitation words like and Instead, use powerful pause phrases. Say, let me explain. Repeat, let me explain. Or say, what I mean is. Repeat, what I mean is. These phrases make you sound confident, even if you are thinking. Now, imagine you are talking on the phone. Many people feel extra shy on calls, but today you will practice. Say, hello, this is Alex speaking. How can I help you? Repeat, hello, this is Alex speaking. How can I help you? Now respond, I am calling to ask about your services. Repeat that. I am calling to ask about your services. Clear voice, no rushing. Confidence also comes from posture. Sit straight. Lift your chin slightly. Smile gently while speaking. When you smile, your voice sounds warmer and more confident. Try it now. Smile and say, I am confident when I speak English. Repeat, I am confident when I speak English. Now, let us practice a short transformation story. Repeat after me in sections. A few months ago, I was afraid to speak English. My voice was low, and I avoided conversations. But one day, I decided to change. I started practicing daily, just 15 minutes every day. Slowly, I became more comfortable. I made mistakes, but I did not stop. Today, I speak with more clarity and courage. Repeat this whole story smoothly. Very good. Now, power affirmations. Say these strongly. I am not afraid of judgment. I am proud of my progress. I speak clearly and confidently. I deserve to be heard. Again, louder. I deserve to be heard. Now, final confidence challenge. Take a deep breath and say this full paragraph without stopping. Today, I choose courage over fear. I choose growth over comfort. I understand that confidence is built through action. Every time I speak, I improve. Every sentence I say makes me stronger. I will not stay silent because of fear. I will express myself clearly and confidently. Take another deep breath. If you completed this session, you already proved something important. You are serious about change. Shyness does not disappear in one day, but confidence grows every day you practice. So, from today, promise yourself that you will speak at least 5 sentences in English daily. Even if you are alone, even if no one is listening, speak to yourself, speak in front of a mirror, speak while walking. Because the more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Before this video ends, say one final powerful sentence with full confidence. I am a confident English speaker. Again, I am a confident English speaker. One last time, I am a confident English speaker. Remember, Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to speak. And today, you were brave. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and your shy version will slowly disappear. I will see you in the next practice session.